Hello everyone, welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 814 named binary tree pruning. In this problem, we are given the root of a binary tree and we have to return the same tree where every subtree not containing 1 should be removed. So here let's consider the first example. The root is 1, which has 1 children 0 and 0 has 2 children 0 and 1. So here this node 0, which is marked orange, should be removed because this is the part of the subtree where there are not any 1 available. So the resulting tree will become 101. And here in this tree, all of the subtree has at least one node containing the value 1 available. So we have to perform the trimming by this way. I hope you understood the problem statement. Now let's move on to the algorithm. In this problem, the algorithm is pretty simple. We have taken another example. The root is 0, which has 2 children, 1 and 1. 1 has 2 children, 1, 0, and 0 has 1 children, 0. This 1 has 1 children, which is equal to 1. Now, suppose if we remove these two nodes, then all of the subtree in this tree has at least one node equal to 1. So here, but this node 0 and this subtree, and basically these two subtree has all of the node equal to 0. So here there is no node equal to the 1. So these two nodes should be removed. But the question is, how can we basically solve this problem? We can simply solve this problem by using the depth first search technique. So here, how the DFS basically works. Initially, we are at this root node 0. Now, we have to recursively call the DFS function into the left subtree, again in the left subtree, and as this is 1, and it is the leaf node, so we have to return from here. Now from 1, we will get back to 0. From 0, we will get back to 0. Now here, both of the left and right children of this 0 is empty. So this 0 will return the value null. Again, so we will remove this node 0. Now, this node 0 also does not have any of the left or right children. So it will also return the value null. So we have to remove this node as well. Now, from 1, we will get back to 0. From 0, we will get back to 1. From 1, we will get back to this 1. And as this 1 is the leaf node, but the value is 1, so we will return the node 1 itself. From 1, we will again get back to 0, and from 0, we will return. So our tree has become something like this. And here in this tree, none of the subtree has only the value 0. Or we can say that in this tree, every subtree has the value equal to 1. And this is how we're gonna solve this problem. I hope you understood the algorithm. Now let's move on to the code. In this problem, the code is pretty simple. At first, we are given a function named prune tree, where a root is the parameter, and if the root is null, we have to simply return null. Otherwise, we have to call the recursive function prune tree into the left and right subtree and assign the returning value to the left and right part of the root. And here, if the current root is a leaf node, that means is left and right children is empty, and root value is equal to 0, we have to return null. After that, we have to return root. I hope you understood the code. Thank you everyone for watching the video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.